Airport Information Desk.
Sorry, could you help me for a moment?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I cannot find the desk for domestic flights.
Don't worry. Which city are you flying to?
I am flying to Chicago this afternoon.
Let me check the screen. Your flight leaves from Terminal A.
I am in Terminal B now, right?
Yes, you are. Terminal A is in the next building.
Is it far from here?
Not too far. You can take the airport shuttle downstairs.
How often does the shuttle come?
It comes every 10 minutes.
Great. Do I need to go through security again?
Yes, you do. Each terminal has a separate security area.
Okay. My flight is at 4:30. Do I still have time?
It is 2:40 now. You should be fine, but please go immediately.
I understand. Where is the shuttle stop?
Go straight, take the elevator to the ground floor, and turn right.
Is there a sign for Terminal A?
Yes. Follow the blue signs that say Shuttle to Terminal A.
Thank you. I was worried for a minute.
That's normal. This airport is big.
Do I need to print my boarding pass?
If you have it on your phone, that is okay.
Good. I have it here.
Then you only need your ID and boarding pass at security.
Perfect. Thanks for explaining everything clearly.
You're very welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
At the restaurant.
Excuse me, is this table free for one person?
Yes, it is. Please have a seat by the window.
Thank you. This place looks calm and nice.
I'm glad you like it. Here is the menu.
Thanks. I am a little hungry, but I want something simple.
Okay. Our chicken soup is light, and the rice bowl is very popular.
The rice bowl sounds good. What is inside it?
It has rice, grilled chicken, carrots, peas, and a small salad on the side.
Is it spicy?
No, it is not spicy. We can add hot sauce if you want.
No hot sauce, please. I prefer mild food.
Of course. Would you like soup before the rice bowl?
Yes, a small chicken soup, please.
Great. What would you like to drink?
Could I have a glass of water and a small lemonade?
Sure. Do you want ice in the lemonade?
Just a little ice, please.
That is okay. So, one small chicken soup, one chicken rice bowl, water, and a small lemonade.
That's correct. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes. The soup will come first.
Perfect. I have enough time.
Would you like bread with the soup?
Yes, one small piece of bread would be nice.
Of course. Anything else for now?
Not now, thank you. I may ask about dessert later.
That's fine. I will bring your drink first.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
I will. The table and the light are very comfortable.
I'm happy to hear that. I will come back soon with your soup.
Great. I am ready for a warm meal.
Bank transfer help.
Hello. I need help with a bank transfer.
Certainly. Please come to this desk.
Thank you. I want to send money to my brother.
I can help with that. Is it a local transfer?
Yes, it is in the same country.
Good. Do you have his account number?
Yes, I wrote it down here.
Thank you. May I also see your bank card and ID?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. How much would you like to send?
I would like to send $200.
All right. Do you want to add a short note to the transfer?
Yes, please write rent help.
Of course. The transfer fee is $2.
That's fine. Will the money arrive today?
Yes, usually within a few minutes.
Great. I need it to arrive before evening.
It should. Please check this name on the screen.
It says Daniel Green. Yes, that is my brother.
Good. Please confirm the amount and the account number.
The amount is correct and the number looks correct.
Excellent. Please enter your card PIN here.
Done.
The transfer is complete. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Can I also see my balance?
Yes, your current balance is shown at the bottom of the receipt.
I see it. That's helpful.
Keep the receipt until your brother confirms the money.
I will. Thank you for being patient.
You're welcome. Is there anything else today?
No, that's all. Have a good day.
You too.
I feel better now because I understand each step.
That's good. Clear information makes banking much easier.
Yes, and the receipt gives me peace of mind.
Preparing for a driving test.
Emma, the driving test is tomorrow, and I feel nervous.
I understand. It is normal to feel nervous before a test.
I know the rules, but I make small mistakes when I worry.
Let's review slowly. What do you do first when you get in the car?
I put on my seatbelt and check the mirrors.
Good. What about the seat?
I move the seat so I can reach the pedals.
Exactly. That is a strong start.
The parking part is the hardest for me.
Parallel parking?
Yes. I always feel too close to the car behind me.
Remember the steps. Stop beside the car, turn the wheel, move back slowly, then straighten the car.
I should not move too fast.
Right. Slow is better on the test.
What if I forget to use the signal?
Then say it to yourself before every turn. Mirror, signal, move.
Mirror signal, move. That helps.
Also check the speed signs. Some roads are 30, some are 40.
I sometimes miss the signs.
Look ahead not only at the car in front of you.
Good advice. What about the stop sign?
Stop fully. Count 1 second, look left and right, then go.
I can do that.
You studied a lot. You are ready.
I hope I pass.
Stay calm. The examiner wants safe driving, not perfect driving.
That makes me feel better.
Let's practice the questions one more time.
Yes, please. I want to be ready.
I will ask you about road signs first.
Okay. Stop sign, speed sign, and parking sign are important.
Exactly. Then we will talk about safe turns.
Good. This practice makes me less afraid.
At the tailor.
Hi, I need to fix these pants.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
They are too long for me.
I see. Would you like them shortened?
Yes, please. I want them just above my shoes.
Sure. Please stand on this small step.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. I will mark the length with pins.
Should I wear my shoes for this?
Yes, it helps. The pants should match the shoes you usually wear.
Good. These are the shoes I will wear with them.
Great. Please stand straight and relax.
Okay, I am trying not to move.
Thank you. The right leg is a little longer than the left.
Really? I didn't notice that.
It happens often. I will make both sides even.
That sounds good.
Do you want a simple hem or a folded hem?
What is the difference?
A simple hem is clean and normal. A folded hem shows a small fold at the bottom.
I think simple is better.
Sure, the work will take 1 day.
Can I pick them up tomorrow afternoon?
Yes, after 3 o'clock.
How much will it cost?
It will be $12.
That's fine. Do I pay now or tomorrow?
You can pay when you pick them up.
Perfect. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Here's your pickup ticket.
Great. I will keep it safe.
Please bring the ticket tomorrow when you come back.
I will. Should I try the pants on again tomorrow?
Yes, that is best. We can make a small change if needed.
Perfect. See you tomorrow afternoon.
Karate class.
Is this the beginner karate class?
Yes, it is. Welcome. Are you here for your first lesson?
Yes, I am. I have never tried karate before.
That's okay. This class is for beginners,
Do I need special clothes today?
not for the first class. Comfortable sports clothes are fine.
Good. I was worried about that.
Please take off your shoes before you step onto the mat.
Sure. Where should I put my bag?
You can put it on the bench near the wall.
Thanks. What will we practice first?
First, we will learn how to stand safely and move your feet.
That sounds simple.
It is simple, but it is very important.
Will we practice kicking today?
Maybe one easy front kick, but slowly.
I don't want to hurt anyone.
You won't. We keep space between students.
That's good to hear.
Please warm up your arms and legs first.
Like this?
Yes. Move gently. Do not push too hard.
I feel a little nervous.
Many new students feel that way.
How long is the class?
45 minutes. We take short breaks.
Do I need to remember many words?
Only a few today. Ready, stop, and bow.
I can remember those.
Great. The goal today is to feel comfortable.
That sounds perfect for me.
Good. Let's begin with a simple bow.
Okay, I am ready.
Good. Keep your hands relaxed and watch my feet first.
I will follow slowly.
That's the right way to learn. Speed can come later.
I like that. I want to learn safely.
Library book return.
I would like to return these books, please.
Sure. You can place them on the counter.
Here they are. I hope they are not late.
Let me check your account.
Thank you. I tried to return them yesterday, but the library was closed.
That's okay. What is your library card number?
It is on this card.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Sure,
These two books are on time.
that's good.
The third book is 1 day late, but there is no fee for 1 day.
Really? That's a relief.
Yes, we only add a fee after 3 days.
Good to know. Can I renew another book online?
Yes, if no one else is waiting for it.
How can I check that?
Log in with your card number and password.
I forgot my password.
No problem. I can reset it for you.
That will help a lot.
What new password would you like to use?
Can I choose it myself on my phone?
Yes, I will send a reset link now.
Great. I received it.
Perfect. Do you need help finding new books today?
Not today. I only wanted to return these.
All right, your account is clear now.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice afternoon.
You too.
And next time, you can use the return box near the front door.
Is it open when the library is closed?
Yes, it is open all evening.
That's very useful. I will remember that.
Train seat question.
Excuse me, I have a question about my train seat.
Of course. May I see your ticket?
Yes, here it is on my phone.
Thank you. You are in Coach C, seat 18A.
I am in Coach C, but someone is sitting in 18A.
I see. Did you check the seat number above the window?
Yes, I did. It says 18A.
Let me look at the seat map.
Thank you. I don't want to cause a problem.
That's all right. Sometimes people sit in the wrong seat by mistake.
The train is busy today.
Yes, many people are traveling this morning.
Is there another seat I can use?
Let me check first. Your ticket is correct.
Good. I thought maybe I made a mistake.
No, you did not. Please wait here for a moment.
Sure.
The other passenger has seat 18C, not 18A.
So 18A is mine?
Yes, I will explain it politely.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Don't worry about it. You can place your small bag under the seat.
What about my suitcase?
Put it on the luggage shelf at the end of the coach.
Is it safe there?
Yes, but keep your valuable items with you.
I will. How long is the ride?
About 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you for solving this.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
I will. Now I can relax and look out the window.
Good. The countryside view is very nice after the first station.
That sounds lovely. Thank you again.
Ice cream with a friend.
Emma, this ice cream shop smells amazing.
I know. I can smell chocolate from outside.
There are so many flavors, I don't know what to choose.
Let's look slowly. We are not in a hurry.
I see vanilla, strawberry, lemon, and coffee.
There is also pistachio and dark chocolate.
I usually choose chocolate, but lemon looks fresh today.
Lemon is nice on a warm day.
What are you going to get?
Maybe strawberry and vanilla together.
That sounds classic.
Sometimes simple flavors are the best.
True. Should I get one scoop or two?
If you want to try lemon, get 1 scoop of lemon and 1 scoop of chocolate.
That is a good idea. Sweet and fresh together.
Exactly.
Do you want a cone or a cup?
A cup. I always drop ice cream from cones.
I do that too. Last summer, I dropped mine on my shirt.
I remember that. You looked so surprised.
It was terrible, but funny.
Let's sit near the window after we order,
Good idea. We can watch people walking outside.
and we can talk about the weekend.
Yes, I need a quiet break today.
Same here. A small ice cream break is perfect.
Okay, I choose lemon and chocolate.
And I choose strawberry and vanilla.
Great. This may become our new favorite place.
Maybe. Let's try it first.
After that, we can walk around the square for a few minutes.
Good idea. The square is lively but not too noisy.
Perfect. Ice cream and a short walk sound great.
Walking the dog.
Emma, your dog looks very happy today.
Yes, he loves this park. He knows the path already.
He is walking faster than us.
He always does that at the beginning.
What is his name again?
His name is Max.
Hi, Max. You are a fast walker.
He likes you. Look, his tail is moving.
That's nice. Can I hold the leash for a minute?
Sure, but hold it gently and keep him on the path.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. If he pulls, stop and wait.
He is looking at the ducks near the lake.
He loves ducks, but we don't go too close.
That's smart. The ducks need space.
Exactly. Let's turn left before the bridge.
Is this your usual walking route?
Yes, it takes about 25 minutes.
That's a good evening walk.
It helps me relax after work.
I understand. Walking outside clears my head too.
The weather is nice today. Not too hot, not too cold.
And the sky looks beautiful.
Max usually gets tired after the second hill.
There is a hill?
A small one. Don't worry.
Good. I am not ready for a big hill.
We can walk slowly.
Thanks. This is actually fun.
I'm glad. Maybe you can join us again next week.
I would like that.
Great. Max will be happy too.
He is already looking back at me.
That means he wants you to keep walking.
Then let's finish the path before it gets dark.
Good idea. The lights turn on near the gate.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.